Hello my friend, this is Non-Mechanic here, and today I want to show you the starter location on a 2012 Ford Focus SE. I have a couple of my subscribers and viewers that ask me where is that. So anything for my subscribers and my viewer, and it's a nice day out here, so I had the chance to do it for them. So now if you want the starter location, usually we'll follow the positive and we'll go around and all that. Now in this situation, if you go under here, there's no way to see it from the top. So you have to go under. You stand in front of the car, you go under. I am assuming that you already took the undercover off. I am assuming that you know how to jack up your car, use safety. If you're gonna jack up your car, make sure you use your jack and jack stands. Use two. So now, to find the starter location on this car is you go under and you see where the oil filter's at. That's the oil filter. It's right, you can't even miss it. It's right in top. You see it? Right there. That's your starter. And if you didn't know what's the number, what's the part number for the starter, it's actually right there. And you can see the starter, and that's the solenoid right on the top, and that's the starter. So once again, it's right in top of the oil filter. And let me see if I can go under here. And it's very hard to hold a camera. Let me move this. There it goes, right there. So that's the starter location right there. There it goes, right there. So that's your starter on a 2012 Ford Focus SE. I don't know if it's the same location for other cars, but on this 2012 Ford Focus SE is right there. And if I see the part number correctly, I think is BB5T-1100088. I think that's what it is. Maybe when I look at the video, I can share more clearly. So once again, let me go on top and show you. So you go in front of your car, right? I think this is like 12 o'clock right here. Like 12 o'clock. Let me see if I'm correct. Go under the car, straight. And then you just keep going straight. See the oil filter? And it's right up there, in top of the oil filter. Right there. So this is where it's located, on the starter location on the 2012 Ford Focus SE. Once again, right in top of the oil filter. Thank you for watching Non-Mechanic. Later.